So in this video we want to solve two exponential equations without the use of a calculator. Using a calculator we can take the log of both sides, either base e or base 10, and come up with a solution. It could get messy, but it says to do it without a calculator. So you can pause the video here if you want. There's only these two problems here. Pretty straightforward. Basically, we're going to use this property of exponentials. If you have a base a, and one side of the equation is a to the x, the other side is a to the y, and a, say, is positive and not equal to 1. If this is true, if you have equality here, a to the x equal a to the y, got the same base on both sides, they're isolated, that would imply that x equals to y. As long as these conditions, especially this one here, a cannot be 1. Because I can tell you that y to the 10th does equal to 1 to the 10th, does equal to 1 to the 20th power, but or 20 is not equal to 10. And of course here this condition is not satisfied. So let's look at the first one here. Again, the objective is to try to get the base the same. So I'm going to write the 9 as 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So I'll rewrite this as 3 squared to the power of minus x plus 15. On the other side, 27 is the same thing as 3 to the third. Let's write that as 3 to the third, and then take that to the x power. And then using the laws of exponents, power to a power, we multiply the exponents. So I can say on the left 3, then multiply this out, 2 times minus x plus 15. This will become a minus 2x plus 30. On the other side, that'll be 3. Again, laws of exponents, power to a power, multiply the exponents, so that's going to be 3 to the 3x. Now I got the same base on both sides, 3 and 3. So I can equate the exponents. That means that minus 2x plus 30 should equal to 3x. And then we just have basic linear equation. Add 2x to both sides here to isolate the variable. Add 2x here and 2x over here. So minus 2x and 2x cancel. I get 30 equal to 5x. Divide both sides by 5. This divides out, so I get x is equal to 30 divided by 5 is 6. X equals 6. That should work if you replace the x by 6 in the original equation and simplify it. You'll get the same thing on both sides. That one checks. This one here got 1 over e to the minus x squared equal to e to the 3x over e squared. So let's rewrite this on the right side using properties of negative exponents. 1 over e to the negative x squared becomes e to the positive x squared. This goes up, changes the sign. And then on the right side, got e to the 3x, e to the 2, so let's use properties of laws again. Division here, dividing powers of the same base. Subtract exponents, so this should be base e, and the exponent should be 3x minus 2. Dividing powers of the same base, bring down the base, subtract the exponents. Now I've got the same base on both sides, e here and e here. So that tells me that the exponents have to be equal. So e squared, or x squared I should say, should equal to 3x minus 2. I come up with a quadratic equation here. Let's bring everything to one side here. Bring the 3x over, change the sign, bring the minus 2 over, change the sign, so this gives me a minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. X squared here. So this is a trinomial that factors into x minus 2, x minus 1 equals 0. So using the factoring method to solve this quadratic equation, Once you have it factored out, set each factor equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0 when x is 2. X minus 1 equals to 0 when x is 1. So the solution set then for this one is going to be 2 and 1. You can easily check it here. Put a 2 right here where the x is. It becomes a 2 squared. And remember, this squared, it doesn't apply to the negative, so it's 2 squared. It's 4, and then the negative stays. So bring it to the numerator. It becomes a e to the 4 on the left side. And the right side, put a 2 right here. That's a 6. E to the 6, or e to the second. Subtract the exponents. E to the 4. So it checks. And with the 1, what's going to happen is this is on the left side, you'll have e to the 1 to the first power. And then you put a 1 here where the x is. It'll be 3 and 2. 2 from 3. Again, it's e to the 1. So it checks. So when in doubt, check your answers. That's the solution to this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.